not just revise. Type a prompt and generate a persuasive mistake.
Hey! Yo, welcome in, family.
Download it for free.
Hope everybody's doing great. Hope we're feeling excited. I think we're doing this. I haven't figured out yet. My queue seems to not have my chat popping up here. So I think I have to re-chat on my phone. Hey! All right, I got my chat up on my phone then, family. So I'm going to be able to read y'all through here. Danny, first one in, Queen. Good morning. Salsadelic work. Let's go, family. Let's go. First stream away. Only way to really talk to you guys is through my phone, so it feels funny, but hey, don't matter. Don't matter. We're here. We're doing the thing. Oh my God, can you feel it? How exciting. How's the audio? Let me know. Can y'all hear me well? Can you hear the music? Can you hear the music of the... Actually... That sounds good, brother. You're good? All good. Let's go, family. Took me like an hour to get everything set up, but we're here. We're ready to go. We're excited. See what we can find for some opportunities in the NASDAQ. How exciting. Let's go. Sounds good, brother. Let's go. Good morning, Mark. Welcome in, King. Danny, good morning, Queen. I already said that. Brother been holding the gold since 6:30 a.m. 25 points from smashing that TP. It's gonna deliver, King. Proud of you. He's in the gold, smashing the early one. TLR, welcome in, King. Let's go. Big dubs today on a Friday, family. Love the energy, y'all. Make sure everything's ready to go. Take profit, 5 accounts. Market's open here in 2 minutes. Technically we don't need 1,500, but it'd be nice to get them over the halfway buffer. Let's take a quick look at our daily chart here. Stay aligned with the markets. See what we got here. Feels like that was a nasty candle yesterday on the daily chart, and we're starting to print lower again. Opening at the lows. I think we get kind of bearish here, no? On the daily chart, I'm getting some bearish information. What do y'all think of that? Excuse me. Sorry, family. Damn. Work, are you short or long gold? Look at the hourly chart, also looking quite bearish. Well, we have our information. We know what we're looking for, family. We're at least looking for the sell side a little bit here. We have triple liquidity down here at the 694s. Feels like we could be hunting towards that. Diego, good morning, King. Love the energy. Loving the TPT accounts. Let's go. Let's go, Diego. We're going to try to bring this big old fat payout. Uncapped payout. TPT is kind of sexy for that. Here we go. Bouncing off the lows here. Are we going to double bottom? Bless it. Thank you, King. Longs on gold right now. Oh, my goodness. I'm telling you, it's my allergies. This sweatshirt's got a bunch of my work on it. She's going to blow a nostril out. I hope not. What's up, King? Good morning, Brom. Welcome in, King. Marketing opening print price coming up to the 866s here. Probably not letting out a toot on any of those. Let's go, Saucy. Good morning, Dave. Welcome in, King. Family, there's already 26 of you beautiful individuals hanging out together on the stream, on our first mobile stream. Let's go ahead and just smash the 30 light goal today, like right away. Let's just go ahead and just show that 30 button like it's nothing. Tomorrow, we won't be on. Obviously, it's Monday or weekend. I won't be on the next stream for Monday, and then our first stream in Hawaii will be on Tuesday, the 10th. And we better be hitting some likes for that one, guys. I'm excited. NASDAQ bidding up towards these 866s. Opening print candle price was 66 points or so. 60 points. And I feel like we're heading lower. The hourly chart is incredibly bearish. Felt like we might double bottom, but if we don't double bottom down here, I'm expecting some new lows to be taken out. TP at the 52.48. Let's go, work. I see it, King. I see it. Hope the stream, the chat's not too delayed. I have to read it through my phone, so I think I see it up to date, but we'll see. Is it blurry? It's blurring out my face because it's capturing the computer. Why is it doing that? Hi. Blurring out my face. Nasdaq's trying to find some bids up through here. Turn like this will make it better. Hey, will you focus on my face, please? No? Okay. Getting back up towards those 60s right now. What are we going to get here? It's kind of making me sad that it's making my face so blurry. Choppy PMI 945 or Chicago PMI 945. Let's go, Dave. Good information. Pretty delayed today. I had a feeling it would be, King. I apologize for that. I'm gonna have to figure out my old settings and how to get it back onto the clarity. I'm sorry, Dave. Something's different. These markets gotta go to the gold. Push to the good luck, brother. Let's go. These markets gotta go down for the gold to push. So good luck. That's what I want to see right there. Work. All right, let's get this. Why is it so blurry, man? It picks up my hand so well. As I back my hand up, it's not grabbing my face whatsoever. What is it focusing on? Making me sad. Oh well. Yeah, Dave, I had a feeling it was being a little bit delayed this time. There's a couple settings in here I got to fix. I couldn't remember exactly what I had them set as for my my other one, but it's all right. If Nasdaq comes up into this VWAP, I am absolutely going to be considering a short. Let's turn my trade mode on now. I feel like it's going to look pretty nice. This is also the only stream I'm going to be doing in this setting. This was just to get a little tester. And then Monday we're going to be in, obviously, Hawaii. Or Tuesday, actually. I apologize. Tuesday we're going to be in the Hawaii. It feels so weird not being in my normal setup, gang. Appreciate y'all for riding with me. Feels so weird not being on the normal setup. Nasdaq longs look like they're trying to hold this little double bottom. Kind of be enough for me to try a little stop at the EMA or a little try at the EMA for a little snipe. Stops below, looking to trade higher into the VWAP. Opening print price, we're trying to hold above it. If we came into this EMA, I'd be down to give it a try for a little tight stop. I'm gonna try it. Little quick stop on this if I do get tapped in. Just want to see if this EMA can respect us. So if it doesn't, I'm going to close pretty instantaneously if we get closure below it. Want to see possibly trading into the VWAP. I like this double bottom V pattern W that we're getting. Can we get a fill? Nasdaq's teasing us down here. Might be enough right there to go ahead and go without us. Looking for one more tap towards this opening print price. Sniping us in this order now. Can we get the EMA to hold? If we don't hold this EMA, that was pretty delayed there on that fill. That was weird. If I don't get filled, if this starts closing below the EMA, I'm going to close this pretty quickly. Just looking for a quick rotation off this. We should find the bids if we're actually going to push towards this VWAP. We're tapping into that daily opening print price high. Want to see us maintain these. Want to see us maintain this bottom. Start pushing with a nice bullish print there. Hold this VEMA and push higher, Nazi. 63, we would need, what, 75 technically? Ooh, gross reaction there. Looks like we're struggling to push higher than this previous swing high here at the 80s. It's going to be enough for a stop loss, I think. If we start pushing, there it is. Sell 5 stops. Break evens are on. 65, 75 would be... Oof. Looks like it's going to get rejected. Looks like it's going to get rejected.
Stop fill.
Bro, look how laggy this is. Why did it close us out of some of ours, but not all of ours? What is going on with this?
Stop fill.
Oh, are you guys seeing how laggy that is? Good morning, King. Kind of late today. No worries, Rodrigo. Welcome in, my boy. Appreciate you for being here, showing some love. Man, we did get out of that for a little snipe, but that was very laggy on this desktop. This is I'm trading on a laptop, streaming on a laptop, connected to you guys through the laptop, so it seems a little bit laggy. But we'll see what we can do about it. NASDAQ is rejecting, which means your play's working better. We got to go down, like you said, to get your order, so I don't mind it. A couple more minutes here for our 15-minute range. Did we tap into anything that really feels steady there? Not really. Just weak price action, I think, in general right now. A little deeper into that buy or into that bull flag or breakout that I wanted to see. If we were going to hold that steady at the EMA, we would have held it. But right now we're finding quite a bit of resistance up here. Trying to double bottom. Little VW recovery pattern makes it tough to just fade the longs right now. I want to get into a short, but we got to fight for a good price. For me, that would probably be up at the swing high around VWAP around the 920s. If we can go swoop the 9s or try the 9s out. We already found resistance at the 9s. Yo, Fuibo. Good morning, King. Welcome in, my mans. Hope you're doing well. 15 minutes is still bearish. Rejecting the ADMA. News in 7 minutes. Let's go, King. I wouldn't trade till after the news. I like that insight, Dave. 15-minute is bearish. We're rejecting, he said. And then we have news dropping soon, so be patient. Motez. Welcome in, King. Let's go. How we feeling? How we doing on this Free Money Friday, family? Feels great. Feels exciting. Feels exciting. It feels great. That's it. 900 price again. This is where the sellers kind of got responsive earlier. I wouldn't mind a VWAP tap for me to try to find some shorts. Shorting like the 936s. I'll try an order here. Sell 5. I'm going to have an order at the VWAP resting. See if we can get a fill. Obviously, news is dropping soon. Hungry, LOL. You got to be hungry for the cash. Let's go, Motez. It's coming your way, my boy. NASDAQ trying to break through these 900s. We're sitting at the 937s. Can we get a fill? Struggling at this previous swing high. Opening print price is sitting here as well. News is going to be dropping when we have our 15-minute range, so... Work, have you been trading this just gold or have you been in the US 30 as well? Man bounces back and forth sometimes. For cash and Ramadan, you know? Yeah, I bet, kid. I understand. You're on that struggle with the Ramadan, but I respect that a lot. Good morning, kings and queens. Let's make a bag. Welcome in, King. Let's go, Corey. Excited to have you here, brother. 860 is yesterday's low. 860s, okay. It's where we're finding a lot of resistance right now, so... Or a lot of action, at least. A lot of absorption. I have a sell order right now with the 930s for a short V at the VWAP. Obviously, do we get there? I don't know. Yesterday's low is what we're actioning onto. Good insight, Danny, and that is giving us a little bit of information right now. It is giving us a little bit of information right now. I keep skipping these ads. Usually you don't watch me do that. It's funny. This is the con of only having one screen to stream on. Usually I have everything going up on here and then everything else that I'm managing on the other side, my charts and everything. I'm glad to be with you all again today. Great group. I'm glad you're here too, Dave. Sorry it's a little delayed today, but we'll get it figured out for Hawaii, but Can't miss it. Can't miss the family. Can't miss streaming. Can't miss the markets. Got to stay active. We'll see what we can do. NASDAQ really rejecting at these 900s now. We're getting close to our first 15-minute range. Camera's focusing on your laptop. Yeah, I don't know how to stop that, Robert. Absolutely what it's doing. Let's try to like see if I can move everything over. You gonna focus on me now? Is that better or not? No, it's much better actually. Great. That's all I wanted to see. Oh, way better. Hi, family. Hi. Yeah. All right. We're in there. Appreciate the assist there, Robert. Yeah, close enough. It's pretty good. And there we go. Finding some rejection. I guess I'm going to probably cancel this initial VWAP order. I don't think we get back up there now. Getting close to our first 15-minute range and also getting really close to having the news dropping. Motez, how long is Ramadan until? I did it like 1 year. That was brutal. I felt terrible not drinking water. Are you in Hawaii now, brother? Paul, I'm not in Hawaii right now. I'm still in Maine. Just wanted to test out the mobile stream. I'm a couple hours from my house though, staying at my friend's, and then yeah, just testing out the mobile stream so that when we actually are in Hawaii, everything will be smooth. I got everything set up, and now I know how to bring you guys with me. So I essentially could bring this anywhere, and it's working. So Motez, Ramadan Kareem, brother. Yes, Dundula for sure, King. Breaking through the new lows here. Sellers might be popping in. If we start showing a little wick out of here, it could be interesting. But for the most part, I think sellers are going to be dominating. Let's get our 15-minute range drawn up. Stay aligned with the markets here. This is the 30 candle. This is what we're looking at for our first 15-minute range. Swept through the lows. Trying to short here.
Order filled.
A little bit risky, but I like it. We swept through the lows. The only thing I don't like about it is the fact that we swept, right? Because now we could start getting a V recovery out of here. So I'm not going to look for the most. My stop's going to be above this next previous swing high here. 5 stops. If we start getting a reaction back toward the top of the 15-minute range. Really the safest stop if I wanted to be risky would be above the VWAP, but I want to see the sellers loading in here. News dropping. Can we find some weight in the NASDAQ here? Looking for the markets to sell off so gold Work can get his gold long. We're battling here. Battling at the 50% of the range. The perfect VWAP, or perfect 50% of the 15-minute range. The only thing I don't love about it is that we already swept through the lows, so targets lower aren't necessarily clear. Let's be patient for this candle closure, get all the information. One tick away from my stop. Damn, huh? Damn. Saved your life there, Queen. I love it. So you're looking longs, huh? Like it. Today's the 9th, so it's going to be 29 or 30 days, 21 or 20 left, brother. Ramadan Kareem for you too, brother. Let's go. I love it. I love the energy of Ramadan. Hoping the best for you guys. Hope you make it through well. Basing above the EMA isn't ideal here. My stops really should be up above the VWAP, but I'm just going to be above this swing high. Actually, I kind of do want to be up above this.
Stop filled.
Too late. Tagged out. Here comes the top of the 15-minute range, top of that opening print high. Do we start pushing here? We already swept through that previous low, so it makes me think that we could start pushing here. That was the only thing that made me nervous on that. I don't like TPT because of intraday drawdown. I know it stops trailing after buffer, but still, it does. Different strokes for different folks. I don't mind it so far. I haven't tried the trailing. I know I'm not great at trailing, but we'll see what happens with it. Everyone make sure we smash the like button for my brother Ty. 30 is the new goal. Let's try to smash it, brothers and sisters. Let's go, kings and queens. There's 30 of y'all beautiful people in here. I know it's a mobile stream, so it's not in my normal setup. Not the normal vibe. A little less vibey, but hey, show some love if y'all, like y'all always do. Swept through the top of the 15. Right back to where I'd be tagged out right now. That was a tough. That's why I kind of want to have my stops above VWAP. If this ends up pushing south side here, I'm going to be a little bummed out. I don't think necessarily it will, though. I think we could possibly even try to join the longs down here. I don't like that we swept through the top of the 15 there and got rejected immediately, though, back at those 900s. A lot of selling pressure at the 900s. Not letting me get in is crazy. H60 should hold, then go down. E21 to support, high time frame. I like it. Yes, I would like to see a VWAP touch. Above 900, I'd exit till VWAP. Yeah, I wanted to get out to VWAP, but I had to be safe there. See if you get that VWAP touch, Danny. If you do, I'm going to take a short. I'm not trading today because of news. Hey, I love the discipline there, Rodrigo. Bummer that we'd still be in this right now. Now we'd be above. Which mic is that? I couldn't tell you the actual name of it, King. I hope the audio is good, but yeah, I don't actually know. I bought it like, man, a few years ago. Oh, like a while ago now, probably like 6-7 years ago. I was like, hey, I want to do podcasts. I bought like 3 of these mics, or 2. I bought 2 of the mics, and I was gonna buy another one, but I ended up not doing any of it. And then I was like, you know, I'm streaming. I can use it for that, and here we are. 10 more likes to hit our 30 like goal, family. Y'all are incredible. Here comes the VWAP. Nasdaq's trying to give us a V recovery pattern out of it. It makes me hesitant to want to dry the shorts up here a little bit, to be honest with you guys. A little bit hesitant to try this VWAP short. We already swept through the top of the 15. Trying to push higher now. This pattern doesn't really tell me reversal. It tells me we could easily extend up through it. So trying to be careful and cautious. Might be worth a tight little stop on it. I'm going to try it.
Order filled.
Just a tight stop. Got to be right immediately, though. Above this new swing high. Wouldn't want to see any reaction above it. You got your VWAP touch, Danny. Want to see an immediate reaction off this price. Anything above this new swing high, I'm not going to like this. We got to start reclaiming back toward the top of the 15-minute range.
If I have to do this one simple task, I am greeted by a bunch of other
Man, why are we getting so many ads today? Cut it out. Got to see an immediate retry back toward the top of the 15-minute range for this to be valid. I have my stops above this new swing high. Can we get some love in the Nasdaq here? At the VWAP, are the sellers going to show up? Are we actually bearish? Pretty good candle closure for the longs. I like the balance though, so we could get some reaction. Struggling at a big hold price. Want to find some volume back towards the top of this 15, ideally. Show us some reaction back towards this 15. Come on, Nazi. One thing we don't want to see is hitting it and bouncing, though. We got to get through it. There's a sweep. Tap at the 15. Pretty good reaction so far from the bulls and the bears. Balance. We're at a battle price, family. Delta is still negative in DIV, so maybe we could still go down. Sketchy, though. Definitely sketchy at this point, Robert. Back inside of the 15-minute range. I like that. Can we get a closure back towards this EMA? Great reaction so far. It's kind of what we wanted to see. Almost enough for a break even. I think break even safer here. A little risky because we could easily just react off this EMA, but I want to see us cut deeper now. Don't want to see us maintaining above the top of the 15-minute range here. That might have been the second attempt to get out of that VWAP. Feels like the buyers are trying to hold it. Sellers are trying to get us below the 15 minutes. We had a decent closure inside of it, so I really should leave a little bit of risk on, to be honest with you. My stop should be above this new swing high for the safest trade. But because we're bouncing off that 15, it could just come slap us out of here. Here's another VWAP attempt. Above that swing high is where my stops are. Good reaction from the longs there off the top of the 15-minute range. Wanted to see a better selling closure. Want to see if the sellers are still going to pop in here. Pretty decent, was wondering. Wait for the low time frame break of the market structure. I like that. That would be a break toward. If we break through this EMA now, we're really going to be looking pretty sturdy. Got to get an EMA break. Anything above the EMA is not ideal here. If we start breaking through there, I can put our break evens on. Want to see the EMA be collapsed. Get heavy through there, Nazi. Tapping into it. Want to see some weight. There's a little better reaction. Got to get a closure through it if it's going to be real. It's at least enough for a break even at this point, family. It's at least enough for a break even at this point. We should not come back up to VWAP again if we're actually going to find some sellers. I probably should be considering closing this right now if we don't get a good closure on this candle. If we don't cut through the EMA on this candle, I might just close it for a little snipe. We really should get some weight on it. Otherwise, we could wick at the top of this range and start pushing higher. Show me some weight, NASDAQ. Cut through these lows. Just trying. Towards these 80s.
Order filled.
I'm just going to take that for a little snipe. For some reason, I don't love it. For some reason, family, I didn't love that one. But now we got our $700 back. We still only need, you know, the rest of their way. Every time I do that, though, I'm always inaccurate. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. Cutting lower now. At the 50th day, when my stop at the 78 was almost tapped out, she went down to 80. That was a crazy bounce to save your stop. I prefer trading multiple micros in thin markets like these, have multiple exits to lock in some profits, and then calmly let things play out. Smaller than risk than minis. I mean, what you just said would have played out right there, Robert, really well. Because I had no other option other than a full exit or full hold. And I didn't want a full hold because we were already down a decent. So I had a full exit, and that's definitely the conditions. The 1 hour MACD has the DIV, so bouncing could continue. I like that. Bouncing could continue, and we did. Don't go for massive targets on sells. Good morning, Matrix. Welcome in, King. Hey, we missed you, buddy. Hope you're doing well. Hope your vacation's going amazing. Let's go, baby. Yo, King, fighting back. Let's go, Rich. Now we're trying, brother. I want above VWAP for longs. I want above VWAP for longs. Yeah, if we can start breaking above VWAP, I like longs a lot, Dave, for sure. Or else wait for a breakdown and short to the lows. Not touching anything else here. I gotta be patient. I mean, hey, took a little damage, took a little profit. We're about $35 break even right now. We got to be patient. I mean, I am starting to like our exit a little bit more at the struggle bus, but I think sellers are actually going to start holding better now that we've really broke inside of that range. And another wick up here makes me think I can start targeting sells heavier. Hourly EMA, hourly price tapped into the VWAP. EMA is still below, above the VWAP there, so we might get one more try towards the top of the 15. If we reject it again, I'm going to be considering shorts a lot more. It's really tricky price action, though. Just kind of balanced. Not really anything super attractive. So let's be a little bit more patient here. There's 40 people watching, family, being a part of this incredible community. If y'all have not yet, let's go ahead, show some likes to the love button, smash that thing, get over our 30 like stream goal for being our first stream ever out of 221 off my normal setup. It's exciting. And then Monday, we're not going to be streaming because I'm going to be on a plane for hours and hours. But then Tuesday, we're going to be having a island stream, baby, in Hawaii. Sellers finally getting respect at the top of the 15-minute range, finding some more resistance, pushing lower now. Looks to me like I could have held that VWAP short, but again, you never know. We were definitely auctioning into the top of the 15 really interestingly. Tapping now into the 50% of the range nearly. Still like shorts here, I really do. Still like shorts here. Might try one more here for a quick snipe. Locked in max 40% daily profit on Tradeify, sitting chilling. Let's go, Robert. W's king. 40%, that's why I like Tradeify. The 40% feels way more achievable sometimes. Mobile stream like Island Boy. I'm an Island Boy. I'm going to try one more here, family, at the 79s.
Order filled.
I want to see if these sellers are actually going to start respecting this. I don't love the decompressed volume into this range because we could really get explosive. But I'm going to try it. Stops are above the top of the 15-minute range. So we're risking, 30 points here. See if we can find a reaction. Want to stay below these wicks. Anything could happen. 860s is hold, then USP. Then up. 860 holds and up. I hope not. Hope we don't hold this. I want to see a rejection here at this EMA. It's a decent reaction. A lot of volume coming on both sides of the chart. Why are we getting so many ads? We never get that many when I'm at my house. But I have to go there to do it, so it's funny. Good reaction from the sellers there. Getting a nice wick on that candle gives me a lot of confidence. Would even consider adding a second contract if we get another EMA touch. I'm actually going to try a second contract here. Tighter stops now. Actually, I don't need to. I don't need to, because if we start getting a reaction down towards here, we can be out of this. 79 would be 74, 64. So we need to see this price by 5 limits. That would be our full TP. We have our stops on, our risk, our profit on. Let's see if we can get some love. Essentially a 2-to-1. Really like that candle reaction at the EMA there, but now the buyers are trying to push back up through here. It gives me confidence to try another short contract. But I don't think I have to, because if we start getting the respect, I like where our profit is at the 8s. Can probably see the H try. 860's trying to hold, though. We don't want to see it. I want to see some more selling reaction at this EMA. Closure added isn't ideal. Can we get some weight? Could still melt down as Delta is still divided, but I would stop shorting until 860 fails. He said I would stop shorting. I like that, Robert. Can we see a new break of these lows towards these 850s? That'd be ideal. Could put our break even on. We start smashing through these 50s. Should happen fairly quickly if we're going to be right now. We should get some volume. We're holding above the top of the 50% of the range, so it's not really the most attractive, but I want to see some reaction down here. We could come back up to VWAP too. Really finding low volume on both sides of the charts, buyers and sellers. Buyers seem to be getting a little bit more movement though. I'd be scared above the 860. Hey, I'm feeling it. 15-minute close below 72 is bearish. 15-minute close below the 72s. I like that, Dave. Can we get some weight now? Try another EMA bounce. I want to see these sellers get some actual gumption. This is a classic bull bear flag. Let me draw it out for y'all. Broke in. And now we have our bottom here. It's hunting towards our stops, though. I'm actually going to go above this, showing high here. Classic bear flag. Is it going to break, or are we going to hold this and push higher? Nothing really telling me that we need to be too worried about it. We'll see what happens here, though. Another great reaction from the sellers up at that price. Giving me a lot of confidence in our trade, family. Giving me a lot of confidence with a kind of reaction like that. We should start finding some sells now. Can we break through this little bear flag bottom? Start heading to the new lows. We start breaking through these 50s. We're gonna be pretty bearish, I think. That was a great candle reaction. I guess it hasn't closed yet, so let's wait for the closure. Not as attractive there. And we might be stopped out. Tough.
Stop filled.
That was a tough trade there. I don't want to try one more here. Longs might be in though. That was our attempt to break lower. I think longs are more than likely in after that. 860's holding. Heading back towards that daily opening print price. We already have lows swept. We already have lows swept. 1 hour is a doji. A doji, as well as having that bottom, makes me think that we're definitely going to start pushing higher. Another VWAP reaction. Looks pretty bullish. Wait for the close in a few seconds. 860, 870 is make or break in my opinion. Yeah, we held the 60s too well there. 1 hour also closed doji, but slightly bullish. I don't know. Yeah, it's pretty bullish. Especially because we already swept through those lows. Absorption. Trying to break through this VWAP. We should get some pretty steadiness here, Dave. And you were looking to see you were on to join the VWAPs above VWAP, Dave. So here we go. There's a long stepping in. Volume is looking to try it. Tapping into a new swing high there. Let's be patient. I want to see if we can find continuation off that pressure. Morning, fam. I'm a bit late today. Welcome in, Mad Max. No stress, King. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're feeling great. Still a range. Up channel. Be careful. Well, as soon as the 15 minutes close above 8 EMA, it started going. She wanted it. Back below the VWAP here is interesting, though. Price action is not very quick right now, family. We're getting both sides of the chart. I'm going to be willing to try a long down here. I'm going to try a long at the top of the 15-minute range. I want to see us continuing to hold VWAP. Stops are going to be below this candle that gave us the gumption. Can I get a fill?
Order filled.
We're in at the 15-minute range. Another technical rejection of the VWAP, but I'm being patient here. I want to see us try to press higher here off the VWAP. Stops are going to be below this new swing. We're going to head right towards it. Hold that EMA, NASDAQ. You already came lower. There's no need to keep auctioning lower. You already came lower, Queen. Start bouncing for me. Want to see some absorption from the longs here at the top of the 15. We've had a lot of auctioning sideways. Reasons to think that we could be holding here. Can we get back above the VWAP now? Want to see you start printing towards the closure. It's a good candle reaction. Can we get above it? Wait for all the information. Wait for all the information. Closure at the VWAP there. Can we get a pump through that now? Here we go. Are we going to see a new high be broken? Man, today's a tough day, family, all around. Want to see a new high be broken through this previous swing. That was at 10:02. Think we could be seeing higher here. Maybe turn the background sound down a wee bit. I like that, Timothy. How's that? Better? Is that better, my boy? Can we get this VWAP to hold? If we can start breaking above this, I like it. I like that we're above VWAP. We should find continued support from the higher time frame if this is going to actually hold. Apologize if y'all can hear the background music as well, or background noise. 880 entry for longs. I'm up 890. Let's go, King. Danny's long from the 900s. Let's go. I have my break evens on now, family. I do not want to see us get back below the VWAP. Can we get some extension through here? I like our longs. I like our spot. New swing high getting broken there. We're battling. EMA is now coming up to the bottom of the VWAP. I want to see some support and some direction. 40s is Asia low. The 940s. Okay. Can we actually start holding? Target the 25Ks isn't a bad idea at all. It feels like we could be heading that way if we are getting some support. I'd probably front run it by like 8-9 points because the NASDAQ is the NASDAQ. Excuse me. Probably front run it by like 8 or 9 points, but we'll see what happens. EMA is now touching the bottom of the VWAP. We have a little doji here at the top of the swing high, so I want to see some extension. I don't want to keep hanging out around this price. Island boy. Robert. I'm going to be saying that a bunch. Yeah, I'm probably going to be front running the 25,000s by a bit here. Probably by like 5 points, 6 points. Because you can never trust the NASDAQ, you know. Here comes the tap of the bottom. With the EMA touching the bottom of it, are we going to get some extension through here? Seeming to be low volume, seeming to struggle a little bit. 960 is supply though. Well, I can see it. It's acting pretty heavy right now. 66s. Can we start sweeping through here? There we go. There's this try at the 65s. Are we going to get a continuation candle? I don't want to see this thing wicking out. EMA is finally cutting through the VWAP. I like that for direction. Are we going to get this to continue higher? I'm front running the 25,000 whole number by about 6 points. So either we rotate or go back to the 25s. I want to see the 25s. Trail stop loss. I can't do it. Break even or bust. Have a great entry. Get there, Nazi. Come on, Richard. Get there. Get to that 25,000. Go tease it. Give us a full TP here. Well, 83 points if we get that. Make sure to buy a luau party with a fam in Hawaii, man. Yeah, we are absolutely doing a luau. I cannot wait to do the luau, Paul. It's going to be exceptional. Any recommendations for what else we should be doing, Paul? We have a pretty decent itinerary, but still. NASDAQ pushing up into the 80s now. Can we get continuation through here? It's at an edge up close. It's at the edge of the up channel and in supply, so risky hold. It's at the edge, but also if you look at this chart, a lot of volume at the 25,000s. We are breaking through here. It is a risky hold. We could turn at any point here. 80s could get wild. I don't actually want to front run that. I want to be in front of that swing high. So I want to be getting out of like the 91s. Don't want to ask for that new swing high to be broken. But I do think that we're going to keep channeling. I could probably potentially hold this for longer, but we're going to see. Island. I long 33.75 and sold half to 25 points. I love it. Good snipe, Dave. Holding other half for 90s. I might exit the 91s. I want to see it play with you. I waited longer than you. Didn't want chop. I understand. Aiming the 90s. We're all looking at the same TP. That gives me confidence. Can we see the 91s get flashed then? We're all looking for it. Why you no trail stop loss? I don't trail stop loss because it's just not in my strategy. I'm a break even or bust type of guy. Plus, I have such a good fill at the top of the 15-minute range that the only thing that would invalidate me is, like, I could, I guess, come a little bit below VWAP, but even VWAP could bounce. So, just trying to be patient. Let the charts play out as we get. My TP is 140, LOL. 140 is wild. 140 points. NASDAQ trying to get back through these 80s. Are we going to hold this time? I like the 91 exit. Can we get some love, NASDAQ? Leaving a runner, though. I like that. The runner feels safe, Danny. I think we could start pushing for real. The runner could start pushing if we push above the 25,000. Starting to form a little bit of a structure. Want to see a pop. Want to see a little popadelic here. Here we go towards these 80s. Can we get through this new swing high? Want to see the candle closure break through there. Should be nice volume to get through our 90s, honestly. There's the 80s. Carrying through. Just tap the 90. Just tapped my price there. Tapped it twice. Just want to make sure you guys are watching what I'm watching because we just tapped that price twice. Feels like we should have a continuation. That's a third tap.
Order filled.
All right. Front ran there by a little bit. We're up 900 on the day, family. 850. We can make another 700, and then we just have to have some base hits. Let's go, family. Runner from the 24s. I love it, Queen. Good trade, Danny. I recommend stopping at the Hunama Bay, then book a reservation. The Hunama Bay, where's that at? We're gonna be on the Oahu Island. W's, let's go, family. Way to show some love. Appreciate y'all. Did we tap 25,000 or was the front run safe there? Rob's running the same thing. Also, go visit Pearl Harbor Museum. Pretty nice out there too, brother. Yeah, we are absolutely doing that. We're gonna just kicked my camera. We're gonna go to the Diamond Head. Diamond Head. We're gonna do the Kailua Ranch tour. Go on some hikes. Lakiki or Lakua Beach, so one of the best beaches in the world. The North Shore. Yeah, very excited about all of it. Obviously a luau, some more hikes, a lot of beach, sun, and family time. There's really nothing better. NASDAQ looks like we had a fucking TP for days, family. Look at that top tick there. Top of the 15 minutes to the next liquidity line. Nice trade. Patient like a turtle. Used to be one of my nicknames was Turtle Tyler. I preferred the Tiger Tyler, but you know, it is what it is. Really great exit there at the top though. We love those. Great trade, King. Let's go. I appreciate it, bro. Let's go, family. We need a little bit more. That would have been gorgeous had we not taken that $700 loss. You know, that'd be our $1,500 right there. 16.15. That's all we needed. It's literally all we needed, family. Perfect. Let's go, Robert. Yo, family, I don't know how many likes we're at, how close we are to our goal, but let's drop some love to the like button for our first stream away from home. And then Tuesday, I wish it was Monday, but Tuesday is going to be our first stream on the island. We're going to be in a completely new environment. 6 more, baby. Come on, family. If y'all are here and haven't hit that button, easiest way to support the stream, support the family. We either live together, we learn together, or we win together. Never miss a snorkeling adventure. 2, there are so many beautiful beaches to explore there. Yeah, I want to do a bunch of snorkeling. What are the islands? If you know the Lanakai, is it the Lanakai Beach or Lakua Beach, something like that? Paul, like the best. I heard it's like the best beach in the world. And then there's a couple islands awake. You got to cross through the go over the shore and then cross a little bit of deep sea to get over to those islands. And I heard the snorkeling over there is really good. I don't know if I'm ever gonna do that. I hate the idea of like just seeing beautiful sand, nice clear water, a bunch of fish, and then the drop off where it's just pitch black and dark. Yeah, that ain't it for me, but we'll see. Morning, mad late, but glad to see the W's. Welcome in, Santiago. Appreciate you for being here, King. We never worry about a late soldier as long as you're here doing the thing, showing up for yourself. I'm very excited with this mobile stream. It's going pretty smoothly, family. It's giving me confidence to do this in the future. Test this out in the future. We're going to be in, obviously, Hawaii, and then we can travel the world, essentially, if we keep repping this up. All we got to do is have a better relationship with this NASDAQ so she can pay us, you know. Coming into the VWAP might be an opportunity to try to find some continuation from the longs, but we swept through a lot of liquidity in front and found some resistance at the 25,000, so let's be patient here, family. Make sure we're taking good setups. Like when you start watching the stream. Let's go, Robert. Appreciate it, King. I tried some new strategies, was flying low, listening, but not interacting a lot. I hope I can pass my evals soon on several accounts with more and less risk. Still trying to find my way. That's the process, King. I love seeing that, Richner, honestly. That's the real process, King. Try new things, adapt, have the awareness of what worked, what didn't. Nothing in this game is just going to be cut and dry simple. So you got to find what works for you, double down on it, and really make it happen. So I'm proud of you, King. What did you use for the mobile stream? What app? So everything's the same. I just had to download Trade-Evate, had to download OBS Studios, had to send over my overlays and my thumbnail to my email. I had to sign into all my things, get all my settings correct, and then had to get it signed into my YouTube so that it would be ready to go. Down 300 today with 2 accounts. PLL up 1,000 with my risk account. Up 1,000 with my risky account. Isn't that fun? Little gambler. Little gambling account. Amen. Welcome in, King. Yo, this stud downloaded us, or he coded us an actual indicator on TradingView that has all of my settings. Like I have the hour chart on the 1 minute chart, so you can see them both at the same time. It has the 15-minute range with a 50% of the line. Offers the VWAP, the EMA. Very simple indicator, but it's exactly how I trade, so I appreciate you for doing that, King. Haven't checked it out yet, but I will, I promise. Probably not till I get back from Hawaii now, but we'll see. Just kind of want to download that on this laptop. It feels like we could be pushing higher after taking out those lows. I don't necessarily think that we have to start thinking sells yet. VWAP could be an opportunity to get a little aligned with the markets. Not sure. VWAP could be an opportunity to get aligned. Excuse me. Anybody liking this VWAP try, maybe? I don't love the wick up here on the hourly chart after we swept through the EMA and the VWAP. Not liking that wick really at all. I messed up. What'd you do, Dave? You try to join those longs on that EMA pullback? So is this the Trade-Evate web app? Because mobile version is terrible. Looks totally different last time I used it on my tablet. No, this is not the web app. I always download the actual, so you can you can't see it, but I actually download the app on Trade-Evate, the Trade-Evate app on my computer. It's way cleaner. I'm really glad I did because it saved all my information, so I didn't have to update any of these settings. It was nice. Enjoy the trip, King. I'm long from 800. Let's go. What a long. Sexy entry down there, Amy. Great trading, King. What are you targeting? Are you targeting the 25s? Good morning, everyone. Happy to see Green. Where you at, bro? Let's go, Pat. Welcome in, King. Proud of you for showing up. Appreciate you for being here. Where you at? I am down south. I'm a couple hours from my home. We're in mobile stream, baby. Mobile stream number 1, and then we're going to be on the island stream Tuesday. Tilted when I needed 130. Damn, Dave. Sorry to hear it, King. Looks like the VWAP bounce would have held so far. Mobile stream W. Mobile. First one. And it's playing out pretty smoothly right now. It took me like an hour to get everything set up, but once we got set up, it's been pretty smooth sailing. I want to see if the 900s hold. If not, I'm going to hold maybe today's highs. I think the 900s hold. Looks like the VWAP's going to hold right now. You blew the accounts, Dave? No way, King. Fuck, man. I'm sorry to hear it. But you know what it is, King. It's just a part of the process. Big old learning lesson right there for you, Dave. Patience is a virtue. The last 130, I mean, you were so patient all the way through to get those accounts there. 130 away from passing and then unlucky there, but don't be deterred, King. Take it as a lesson. Take what you can from it. Adapt. Show back up. Do it again. It's tough to hear, though, for sure. Right now, we're getting another reaction at the VWAP. Are we going to find continuation here or not? Interesting, interesting. We come back for sure. Work. Way to pick him up. Still in the longs. I love it, Danny. You targeting? What's your exit there? Now you could be looking for, oh, for your runner, you mean? You have your runner still going? You could be looking higher with the runner. 990 is also the 2-day and yesterday's point of control. So yeah, I would not look for massive targets anymore. Yeah, I don't know about massively. 990 is previous day's point of control. That's interesting. I did not know that. Excuse me. But also, if the longs want to start holding, we could start pushing for real. If the longs want to start holding, we could really push for real. Might just stay above this range for the day. We already had the sweep of the overnight low. Found some gumption. Swept through it. That was the real look for the lows there. It really was. Or for the longs. And I tried to short. What a goof. After breaking through that previous swing low, double Ving, and then having the direction, I tried to short it. What a goofball. Had I not done that, we'd be chilling. Had I not done that, we'd be chilling. You got this, Dave. Absolutely, Richner. Way to pick him up. You got it, King. Head on. Head on steady. I have TradingView with volume profile on my tablet. Nice. Little Yomi 12-inch. Love it during trading. Trading on the tablet could be nice. Never done it, Robert. Your strategy give you a long at mid of the range. Yeah. Down here at the 851s, 100%, Amy. %. And I still shorted it. I didn't actually find support on my strategy till we got break through the top of the 15. I longed the top of the 15. I shorted the VWAP after having a rejection of the EMA at 15 minutes. And then once I got that, I switched over to the longs. But I did have 2 entries of my strategy. And didn't take the 15-minute 50%. What a goof, Gary. Just for watching, but sometimes I trade. A bit annoying. It's a tempter for sure. Feels like we're going to start finding some volume here. Holding the VWAP with another retry. Feels like we're going to keep pushing. Long just looking steady. TradingView has bad trading brackets. Clumsy. Yeah, I don't think you can actually put... No, you can. You can't put trading brackets on Trade-of-8. I wish you could. Here come the 90s again. Give me the 30s. Go up to those daily opening print price. I like it, Queen. I mean, you got Amin on your side. He's still long from the 800s, so you have confidence to push higher. You have Amin on your side. The man knows how to read the markets. Daily opening print price is at the 24s, so that might be your only resistance at the 30s, Queen. Just swept through that new high. Feel like I could look for a little snipe here. Not sure if I want to. We need, what do we need? 750, and I need 3 more trading days, so. $750, and we need 3 more trading days, meaning we could be passing some accounts while we're in the Hawaii. Yeah, but I also doesn't do group trading, copy trading, so only for 1 account. Yeah. Totally. In cases like this, the price not tapped to 50%, then should go see the 75% too. I like that, Amy. Just made 1,600 on longs. Let's go. Let's go, King. We were down 700 and then hit a $1,600 long as well to get back to 8 profit. What's up, bro? I've been watching in silence. No worries, D. Welcome in, King. Proud of you. Good trading, brother. Locking in those payouts. Locking in that monies. Made 1556 on the second one that didn't blow because it had a fake drawdown from Trade-of-8 glitch. We'll see if they count it as pass. I bet they will, Dave. That's unfortunate, though. Just swept through that high, and now we're pushing back towards the VWAP. You can make bracket presets nowadays with TradingView a bit better than it used to be, but still takes 2 to 3 steps to place an order. We will see if they count it as pass. They don't want to reach it. I'm in 3 funded accounts starting Monday. We're going for $9,300 Monday. Let's go, D. Be cautious. Be careful, King. I won't be trading Monday. I will be only on Tuesday. Monday, we're going to be on a plane ride for a lot of hours. Majority of the day, really. Front ran the 90 to 25,000s again there. Really some sticky resistance up there. Interesting price action. They don't want it. They don't want it right now, I mean. See, let's go. For you can see how close I was, but I'm holding TP. CLG for you can see how close I was, but I'm still holding it. Is TP or break even? Gold, you mean? Oh my god, what's your exit? What's your exit? Crazy. Crazy work. Oh, it's funded now. That was quick. Let's go, Dave. Happy for you, King. They said, hey, we see you, we passed you, we approve. I'm out next week, hopefully having a great time with this weekend family. I hope you enjoy your time as well, Amin. We'll miss you while you're gone. We're going to be streaming in Hawaii all next week, so fairly lower intensity, not going to be going crazy. I have not decided yet, family, if I want to wake up at 3:30 and stream market open, or if I'm going to do 9 to 10. I might do 3:30 just so I can actually enjoy the time with my family and just be a little bit more tired. I haven't decided yet. You going down to Logan for your flight? To the Logan airport? I think so. I'm going down to, we're leaving on Boston, and I think we're landing in Logan, in Oahu. Or in Honolulu. In at the 171s, and then TP at the 248s. And at 171 and TP at 248. That's a fucking trade. In at 171s? You actually got in below low a day? Confused. How the hell do you get in below low a day? You're a king. An absolute king. VWAP still showing some support. How the weather's there. We're not in Hawaii yet, King. I'm just testing out the mobile stream. I'm still in Maine, so cold and snowy at the moment, but Sunday we're gonna be Sunday night we're leaving, getting on the plane early Friday Monday morning, and then I'll be landing around 2 p.m. Monday, and man, it's gonna be exciting. It's gonna be very exciting. Nah, be well slept. Yeah, I know, but also I don't know. I haven't figured it out. I haven't figured out what I want to do yet, Robert. But you're right, King. Sleep is number one, most vital. Still finding some resistance up at these 90s. Some sticky price action. Price wrong on your chart. On chart, I'm on the MT5. Price is wrong on my chart. Okay. Well, that's lame, but hey, I'm proud of you. That's a snipe. That's a big trade on gold. That's huge work. Be proud of that, King. There's 40 incredible, beautiful people watching, family, being a part of this community. If you guys have not yet, let's show some love. Smash the 30 like stream goal. Just go ahead and crush it. While we're in Hawaii, we might be doing a bigger goal. Might do like 35 or something, maybe 40 while we're in Hawaii. Just be island vibes. Probably 35 because I don't know if we're actually gonna get 40 being in Hawaii, because you know, I'm gonna see if I can give you guys a dope backdrop though. Like have like the thing open behind me, and like we'll see if we can make it nice. Still some sidewaysness after breaking through the VWAP, retested the VWAP, still rejected the 25.9s. A little bit of sideways price action right now, but I don't mind it. Maybe trying to find a long here at the VWAP again could be interesting. Another VWAP long could be interesting. Have a nice trip and a great time in Hawaii. I am out. Still got some work to do today, but soon into the weekend. See you, King. Take it easy, Richard. I appreciate the well wishes, man. Keep working hard. Keep doing the thing. Earning your trading funding. Proud of you, King. Appreciate you for stopping by. Just have a gaggle of hula dancers behind you. Have a gaggle of some dancers for you, just for you, Sobs. And while they're helping us get the goop. Goop, goop, goop. Welcome in, though, King. Appreciate your presence as always. Should start to track expenses and payouts like NTB. Do you watch Nutty Bar Trading? I've seen him a couple times, but I haven't like been a consistent viewer, but I do track all my expenses and payouts. You guys want me to share it? I'd share it. Have like a little thing up on the stream of all-time profit, all-time spent. Nothing to hide. Nothing to hide. Are you trying to pass these today, Tyler? I can't, Robert. I can make more money, but I have to have 5 trading days anyway, and these are on day 2, so I have 3 more days to go no matter what, and I need 750, so not sure. I just want to hit 25,000 and see what's gonna happen. She's teasing the 25,000, finding some resistance. I do like this to try to break another VWAP try. I might try along myself. Don't love the hourly wick up here though, I'm not gonna lie. The hourly wick at the VWAP and EMA is not ideal. I'm out. Hey, that's a great trade, though, Queen. Really was. Really was a good effort. Kind of want to try a poke down here. Might have to be a little bit more patient, though. I don't like that weight. I don't like that weight. I think we could get a little bit lower. Yeah, awesome. Or make it a video. Oh, okay. So I do a video on my expenses and stuff. I'll do that, Waffle. I actually like that a lot. That's a great idea. No, I like that a lot. I'm going to do that. Gives me some more ideas for content. My all-time prop expenses. All-time prop payouts, payments, all the things, all the information. Ah, okay. 5 trading day sucks, but all good. 5 trading days does suck, GPT. And it looks like I should have taken that VWAP bounce there. I didn't do it, and it looks like I should have did it, and I didn't do it, but I should have done it. I do not trust longs anymore. Robert, they're looking steady at this VWAP, though. Building on a really nice bull flag. That's why I wanted to try it, but I didn't have enough gumption. I thought we were going to maybe try the 900s, except I wouldn't have wanted to see below VWAP looking back on it, so. Super excited for you to copy 5 TPT Pros. I believe they will have no payout cap. I'm very excited to see that too, Pat. No payout cap, baby. We're going to hit it for a home run. 6 contracts. Find a spot and just let it ride with some confidence. Woo. Imagine hitting a 100-point move with 6 contracts, and then, yeah, you're having, you know, $50,000 payout that night in your pocket. Would need at least 50 to 62% fib retracement of this up move. What do you mean, Robert? Nah, you don't need to. GPT, people too nosy. You're not selling a course, nothing to prove. I like that, GPT. I like that. People nosy, but I got nothing to hide. This is a tough game to play. You spend money to make money. That's all it is. You spend money to make money, and you gotta hope that it's more than you spend, and that's all it is. Hindsight trading. Yeah, it is for sure, Robert. Definitely. The no payout cap is on the Pro Plus, I think. What is the difference there? So are these not Pro Plus? You have to buy pro accounts from the beginning to pass pro combines. For the time, this is how I'm doing it. I'm down to 1 MNQ on the new funded, as I said I would. Scalp VWAP long 3250 out of 60s. Let's go, Dave. Building up that buffer, taking your time. Payouts coming, King. I love the patience. So hype, bro. Load them up, baby. Let's go, Pat. Come on, King. He says pro. Max says pro. They might keep you a buffer at 10K and then transition to Pro Plus. So they're different accounts. You in Hawaii? Not yet, GPT. I am still in Maine. Just wanted to test the mobile stream out on Friday. I'm a couple hours from home, staying at my friend's house. But yeah, this is our first mobile stream, and then we're gonna be leaving Sunday, getting on a plane early Monday morning, and then I won't be streaming Monday, and then Tuesday will be our first island stream, episode 222. Build some buffer first with trailing. I did with Apex, which is my best opinion, with trailing drawdown. Yeah, Apex is the goats. Tough to get through, but once you get through there, the payouts are so sexy. I'm not 100% sure, so correct me if I'm wrong. 50K payout potential, and then no cap is wild still. It is insane. I don't know. I'm gonna have to do some research on that Mad Max if I do get pushed over to the Pro Plus. I didn't know. I didn't see any different options for accounts. I really didn't at all. So I think that once you're in these and you pass your Pro, but I don't know. Bad day for me. Took a $3,800 payout yesterday, but I blew my 5 traded 5s last night. But we still get back at it. Let's go, GPT. Yesterday, drop a W for the man, securing another payout, slow and steady like he has been. Blew the traded 5s is tough. NASDAQ holding the VWAP was our indication. Man, that's a tough trade. But slow and steady, you blew the traded 5s, but that's just the name of the game there. That's the process. Longs look like they're finally ready for higher. Kind of want to try a little snipe up here. A little scalp for some volume. Really feel confident trying it. I don't like ever buying a high of the range, but I kind of want to try this one. I am definitely trading with TP2 soon. I love it in the path. So once you pass, you upgrade to Pro, which is 80-20 split, and after the 10K or a certain profit, you upgrade to Pro Plus 90-10, which is like their live access accounts. So once you pass, you upgrade to Pro, which is an 8-20 split. 820 uncapped. Okay, that makes a bit more sense. So if I hit 100 points with 5 contracts, 50K, they would take 10K. Ugh, that's kind of cucka. But it is what it is. After 10K or certain profit, then they'll push me. I haven't been a Pro Plus yet. We're gonna try, Max. We're gonna try together, King. Yeah, TPT and Apex are 1 million potential if you can be disciplined. I love it. I love the idea for that. We're gonna head it. We're gonna try our best. Fat payout, 6-figure, 7-figure payout goals. I passed multiple TP accounts, never been able to secure a payout though. Fuibo, no way, King. You're a stellar trader too. I wonder why that is. It's just the trailing drawdown. I think you can make 100K right before going to Pro Plus. I'm not sure, Robert. I know MFF is 100K. Hell yeah, let's get it, family. Let's go, Max. I'm ready, King. We'll ride together, baby. We win together, we learn together. That's all we got. Really tempted to try to buy this breakout at the 25,000s. I'd be surprised to see us not get through here. Trailing sucks so bad, it really does. It makes it so tricky. It makes it so hard. W, drop the likes for the mobile stream. Let's go, Pat. Means the most, King. Always showing love, no matter what happens. Staying aligned. Appreciate you. Appreciate your presence. It's hunting to take out wicks around the 25K. I feel like it has to. That's why I'm kind of want to get involved with this EMA at the 70s. Stops below this 50, so we're risking about 17 points here. We don't have to take any trades today, so I'm like not sure if I want to. But I kind of want to be a part of the longs if we're gonna push. I'm gonna try it.
Order filled.
Can I have my stops below this swing low at the 52s? This will be my last trade of the day. Want to see if we can get this to EMA to hold. Start hunting towards those wicks. We're in a choppy condition though. Is this EMA going to give us any support? Is this EMA going to give us any support whatsoever here? And we're cutting through the EMA. Wait for all the information. Give us a candle closure. Print bullish and then close. Print and close bullish at the EMA isn't ideal. Feels like we could be taking the sweater. Man, no luck at the EMA. It's tough. No luck at the EMA. Definitely think we're going to get stopped out of this now. Wanted to see us try to break through that triple wick up there. Feels very possible, but right now, resistance. Only thing to really do would be change my stop to VWAP, but I'm not really trying to do that. I don't like that this candle doesn't have a wick at the top of it either. Come on, NASDAQ. Show us some love back up at that EMA. Sellers being in control at that price isn't ideal. More 80s resistance. Feels like we have to go take out those wicks at some point, though. Print bullish. Great candle closure at the EMA there. Really steady. Nice wick. Can we push higher here? I'm going to be looking to see these break. After they break, that'll be where I put my new, for my profit. Can we get up through there this time, NASDAQ? I'm with you, Queen. Can we get up through there? Go ahead and get through there. Good steady. Hold this EMA. Interesting price action all around. Longs want it, but it's just slow and steady burn right now. Longs, that's what they say. They say the longs take the stairs. Bears take an elevator. Can we push? Here we go. We're trying. Go take out this 25,000 liquidity, and then I can go ahead and just trail. I'm long at the 68, but 10-point stop. I like it, Dave. Come on, Nazi. Go break out those 25,000s right now. I'm with you. Go sweep through that liquidity. There we go. Go try it out. I'm going to close. Go try it out for size. I'm taking that. I'm taking that. Swept through the highs there. Don't need to look anymore. What a nice little trade. What a nice little trade. We need $185 and we need 3 more trading days. So we can have patience. Let's go, baby. Yeah, trailing drawdown has always been my downfall. It's tough. Trailing means A sniper entries, small SB stop loss or B profits. Like that trade would have sufficed for the trailing. You know what I mean? So it's tricky. Break B before you know you chilling on an island. Before you know you're chilling on an island. Robert, I can't even wait. Kidding. So soon. Still holding the 9 EMA on the 5-minute. If 80 fails, go out. Yeah, I wanted to just see a break of this swing high and then just take what we got. And we were able to get some love there. Way to show some love. I appreciate y'all. Everybody stopping, showing the loves. I love it, energy. Go uppies. Go up for the queen. We said it before and we'll say it again. Free Money Friday. Trading for freedom, baby. I love the energy, TLR. Let's go, King. Free Money Friday on a day like today. Hey, longs were steady. Just had to be patient. We ended up getting that 25,000 sweep. I honestly expected a little bit more volume push after taking out those wicks, but we didn't, so. We didn't. There it is. It's trying now. Can we get through these 10s? We should be seeing that daily opening print price. There it goes. Looking real steady. Nice trade. 2 days. Nice trade today. Adapting when price is showing its hand. That's all we can do. Take the information we get. Take it in. Make new decisions. Make good trades, family. 1420 on the day. We made 1400 yesterday as well. So now we just need 85 bucks in 3 trading days, and then we're gonna be live, or no, then we'll be in pro accounts, and then trailing drawdown. What's the buffer on these 50Ks for the trailing? Max or Fuibo, do you guys know what the trailing drawdown is for the buffer for the take profit trader pro accounts? And then once I'm in that buffer, if we can get over that number, all we got to do is probably try to hit it in 1 or trade or so. 33 is value area high. I like that. It's kind of where the queen's looking. But yeah, I'm out. 2,000. 2,000 is the buffer. All right, we can do that. And then after that, it'll stop with my trailing, and then I can actually trade like a free man. I like that. We can make it happen. I like that. We can make it happen. Anything above is also what you can take out. Anything above the 2K buffer. Uncapped payout. So if I had 5K in there, I can take out the 15 grand. And then they'll take, you know, their 3 grand. So I pick 12 in the pocket. I like that. 2K just scalp. Yeah, you're going to have to scalp to get over that draw trailing. No doubt. Man, I love it too, because once we get better with trailing, we can start trailing apexes and smash those kitties. So run a little 20 bag, a little 20 pack. How many trades did we take today? A little unconditional. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades. 3 winners, 2 losers, and a break even. Interesting. Yes, after they split. 40 bag tie. Hey, after we take some payouts with TPT, I'm going to be running Apex hard. Next time Apex runs a 90% deal, family, we are going to get some price action accounts, and I am going to smash those. Smash those. It just takes consistency. It takes little scalps, get over that buffer, and then from there, you're a free man. You can make it happen. There's still 34 incredible, beautiful people hanging out, being a part of this stream, family, being a part of this community, showing love. I appreciate y'all so much. It means the most, spending your morning being together, learning together, winning together. If you guys have not yet, let's smash the button for a winning streaming on a mobile day, or for a winning day on a mobile stream. Very excited about it. Monday, we won't be on, so y'all are going to be doing the thing solo. Tuesday, we will be having a stream in Hawaii. How exciting is that? Episode 222 in a whole new state. Exceptional. So excited. You better, damn it. Let's go. Oh, we're going to crush them, Pat. You wait, King. Oh, I love it. I truly love it, family. Front running that daily opening print price at the 24s is pretty interesting. But like Paul said, or Robert said, value area high is at 33. So maybe that's the thing. But, family, I think it's as good a time as any. 9 more points for me. Go get it, work. Go feed that man the fattest trade ever. Praying for you, brother. May the opportunity be blessed. Hit that payout. Hit that profit target. Still some rejection up here. Still some rejection up here at the 25,000 after sweeping through the highs. W work, absolutely. W's to the man, the myth. Have a great weekend, everyone. Be safe. Safe travels, Ty. See you Tuesday, brother. Let's go, TLI. I love the energy. See you so soon, King. Hope everybody enjoys their weekend. Spend time with the loved ones, family. We're going to wrap it up here. What a blessed day. What a fun day. Trying out the mobile stream. Locked in a green day. It's all we can ask for. Super proud, super grateful for every single one of y'all showing up, showing the love. Hope you guys had some luck on the markets, luck on the charts. Enjoy your weekend. We're going to have a fun week next week. See what that entails for us. Big rejection to 25,000s. And yeah, family. Soon I will be in the Hawaii getting some sun. But in the meantime, drink some sun. Get some water. Hug somebody you love. And we'll be back. Next time you see me, I'll be in Hawaii, family. I appreciate y'all for saying safe travels. It means the most. Like Pat says, hit the weights. Healthy traders are profitable traders. And I will catch y'all next week. Peace, family.